Hey hustlers, Miles here. Hope you're having a great day. In this video, as promised, I know a lot of you have been waiting for this, is my new year-to-date progress report on Etsy. Let's get into it. So welcome back to Hustle Endeavor. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you like this video. If you're new here on this channel, all about hustling hard today for a better tomorrow by building profitable income streams online. And the income stream we're all working on currently is Etsy. So let's get into the topic of the video. So before I dive into my dashboard, just for perhaps the new people on this channel, that this is our first video, just quick clarification. Essentially, the way I've been able to achieve these results is by integrating Etsy with a print-on-demand company called Printful. There's a number you can use. I choose to use Printful, and essentially they print and ship. They print my designs on different pieces of merchandise, and they ship it to the customer when I get an order through Etsy. I've done a number of videos on this topic, so if you want, just go back and watch them and get up to date. Also, in case you didn't know, my bread and butter is graphic design and branding. So I studied graphic design, advertising, branding, that sort of thing at university. So really passionate about it. Always given me the edge when setting up these kind of businesses online because not a lot of people know how to brand their companies properly. And it is something that is, once you know how to do, it's going to give you the edge, and it's something that can be learned as well. So let's dive into my computer right now, and afterwards I'll share some insights on how I've achieved these results. Okay, so here we are in my Etsy dashboard. I've already made 9 orders today, so it's going to be a good day. But anyway, let's go and let's show you the results for the year. So let's go to custom. Let's go to January the 1st and then go to July the 31st. Okay, so in total this year so far, I've just cleared $100,000 in revenue, which is fantastic. So I'm really pleased with the results I've been getting with Etsy. And as you can see, it's been a steady increase from January to my best month in May, where I cleared $20,000 in revenue. I was able to capitalize on a few good trends at the time. Now, for June and July, it's dropped slightly. I made close to 15K in June and 13K in July. I'm still really pleased with the results, as summer is usually a slower period for a lot of different types of businesses. So the fact I was able to generate this kind of income during the summer months, I'm really pleased about. So if you're just getting started on Etsy during this period and it's a little bit slower for you, don't worry. Now's the time to really focus on finding out what works for your store, so you can really capitalize on Q4, where everyone's results are going to be boosted because of all the seasonal things that happen around then. Hope this inspires you guys. Again, I just want to reiterate, this took a lot of time, blood, sweat and tears to get these results, and this is not what happened. This is not the kind of thing that happens overnight, okay? If you're the kind of person that gives up after a week of trying something when you have no results, or you're afraid to test different things, or you're the type of person that gives up easily, this is not the business model for you. You should go and find something else. However, if that doesn't scare you off, then this is a fantastic opportunity and you won't regret it, okay? It's a big thing on Etsy to be successful. It's something I like to call a hustle endeavor triangle of success, okay? Corny, I know, but it works, okay? So if you can imagine a triangle, an equal triangle, on the top of the point is going to be branding. That's going to encompass everything about your brand on Etsy, okay? So that's going to be your product images, your name of your shop, your USP, everything like that. In the other corner, that's going to be your product. This would be your designs, whatever. And in the third corner is going to be your SEO, keywords, that sort of thing. Now, in order to get fantastic results on Etsy, you need to do all of these 3 things well, okay? Now, if one of these three things isn't, you're not doing as well, you're not going to get the results you are after. So here's what I mean. If you've got great products and you got your keywords down, but you don't have your branding, you're going to get, it's going to be easy when competitors come in to saturate you, and you're going to lose market share quite quickly, probably, and your business is probably not going to be around long term. Okay, we're on this channel all about doing things for the long term. Okay, guys, if you have your branding and you have your SEO, your keywords and stuff, so your products are shown, but you've got rubbish products or rubbish designs, no one's going to buy your products. Okay, and likewise, if you've got a great brand and you've got great products, but you haven't got your keywords and SEO optimized, then no one's going to see your products, so you're not going to make sales. So whenever you're building your Etsy store, just bear in mind that you have to have all of these three things in alignment in order to be as successful as you can be. Okay, so I hope you found this useful. I hope you're inspired, guys. As I said before, this is a fantastic opportunity to get into right now. If you like this kind of content, I am bringing out a course. I know a lot of you have been waiting for it, and it's taken me a bit longer than expected, but it is going to be out at some point this month. You know, I am a perfectionist, so I want it to be as good as it can be before I release it. Okay, so if you're interested in learning exactly how to do this, exactly how I've done it, and just having a real sort of framework or blueprint that's A to Z, links in the description. You can sign up for the early bird waiting list and you'll be notified exactly when it's released. So please like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of this content, and let me know in the comment sections how you're getting on with your Etsy stores. Keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next one.